and with aniline I have taken nitrous acid and I am getting benzene diazenyl salt. So we will go through the mechanism. First of all, we will see the structure of nitrous acid. So this is the structure of nitrous acid, and in the presence of HCl, what will happen? HCl will release H plus. This HCl will release H plus. So H plus will come and attack on this lone pair. Okay. So it is attacking on this lone pair, and due to that, this oxygen is getting plus charge. So what it will do? It will take the electron from this nitrogen. So what will be the next thing? HOH plus N double bond O, because oxygen will take the electron from nitrogen which is attached to it. So this electrophile will form. This is nitrosonium ion. This is nitrosonium ion, which is clearly a electrophile. Now this electrophile will go and attack on this aniline, and that is our next step. So I'll take aniline. This is the aniline. I'll slightly change the position of hydrogen. I'll show it on that side like this, or as it is required in the mechanism, I need to show it bond. So it is like this. Okay. Now there is a lone pair. Now this nitrosonium will come here. So this is in need of electron, and this aniline will give lone pair to this. So the lone pair is given to the nitrosonium ion. That's why nitrogen will get a positive charge. If you are giving lone pair, you will get a positive charge, and due to that, to get rid of this particular plus charge, nitrogen will take the electron from any of the hydrogen atom. Now this hydrogen can be released as a H plus. Now rather than going anywhere else, this hydrogen will come and attack on that particular oxygen because it is having two lone pairs. So what will be the next step? I will show it here. So I get this particular thing. Is it? Now what the oxygen will do? Oxygen will take the electron from nitrogen. Now what will happen? Hydrogen and now N will get a positive charge here because oxygen is clearly taking the electron from it. So it will be OH. Now this nitrogen will give the lone pair to this nitrogen, right? Then what I will be getting here is NH double bond, right? And OH. Now this nitrogen has got positive charge. So what it will do? It will take the electron from this hydrogen. Now this hydrogen again will be released as H plus, and it will attack on this OH. So what is the next thing? Now this can be released as a H2O. And double bond N, it is getting its lone pair back, and OH and H. Oxygen again getting positive charge, so it will take the electron from this, and due to that, what will happen? This nitrogen will get again plus charge, so this lone pair will be shifted here, and due to that, this nitrogen, that is a ring one which is attached to the ring, will get a positive charge. So finally I will get this N triple bond N, and the nitrogen is released from here, and this nitrogen got positive charge. Now this is diazonium ion. To stabilize this, we had taken H from HCl. So what was remaining there? Cl minus, and this Cl minus will come and stabilize this particular ion. And this is your benzene diazonium salt. We can call it as a BDS in short. So this is how we can prepare benzene diazonium salt. I hope this is very much clear to you.